In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a birthday card using Canva. You can decide to print it if you want, or you can send it to the receiver digitally through WhatsApp or through Google Documents or anyhow, Dropbox. So, first step is go to canva.com. If you have an account in Canva, you can go ahead and start editing. You can follow the prompt to sign up if you do not have an account. All right. So you can click on create a design here directly and start to create, but I'll recommend that you go to templates. So step 2, go to templates and type the kind of card that you're looking for. So I'm looking for a birthday card. So I'll type birthday card. So these are birthday card templates. You see all these templates? You can choose any of these templates and start to edit them. Any template that works for you, you can edit them. Now, if you want to create from scratch, you can click create a blank birthday card. But if you do not like this shape, you can choose any of these existing ones and create a new page that does not have any of the designs, which I will show you later. Or you can come here, click on create design, and then click on custom size, choose how wide and how high you want it to be. So because I like the templates, I will go with the templates. This is the template I'm going for. Step 3, choose a template. This is a pro template, I know. Use these templates. To use these templates, you need to pay or sign up for Pro. So you can sign up for Canva Pro for free, but you need to add your details. So I am going to look for the one that is free. This one I need to sign up. I don't want to sign up for free, but I really like these templates. It's really beautiful. I used it in my other Canva. So all these ones are pro. All these ones that have a like this crown, they are pro. You can look for the one that does not have it. This one does not have it. And it's really beautiful too. This one does not have it too. And it's very beautiful. Another one that does not have it, this one. So I like this one. So you click on customize this template. Here you go. This is the template. So you can just customize it with the information that you like. Or if you like, if you don't like the design, but you like the shape, you like the dimensions, you can click on this one here, add page. But if you like this design and you want to duplicate it, you can click on this duplicate page. So I'm going to click on this one to show you so you can design from scratch. But if you're looking for inspiration, you can also come to this design and choose from any one of these templates like this one. But let me go back to this one because I like this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. So this will be my first page and this will be my second page. In this first page, I will add a picture. All right. So you can click on uploads here and upload a picture. All you have to do is upload file, or you can upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, or any of these places. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go to Element and look for a stock picture. So I'll just type baby. Babies will appear. This is all category. You can choose graphics, you can choose photo. So I'll choose photo. This is a baby picture, like a little baby. So when you do like this, it will enter. Why did it enter? Because this circle is a frame. If you right click, you can detach this image. When you detach this image, you can see the frame. You see, this is a frame. Let me choose another picture. I think this one with the glasses. Oh, is a pro. So even when you're choosing the picture, don't choose the pro unless you have the pro feature. So I'm going to choose, I like this one. What you do is drag it towards the frame. If you drag it towards the frame, it will snap into focus. If you double click, it will show the dimensions, so you can move it around if you want, which is what I actually want. You can move it into where you like it to stay. So now you can change the name here, right? Let me change it to say Jason. You can leave this happy birthday if you want, or you can customize it by changing the color. See, if you click on this, you can change the color. So many things that you can do. Even this balloon there, you see this shows that there are colors. Okay, let's try to change the color of the balloon. This middle, let's change it to, what is a baby like color? I think green is good for babies. You see, it has changed to green. So you can do all the edits that you want to do. When you are done with the edits, for example, me, I'll remove this happy birthday here, remove this frame, remove all this, remove. Then I can insert a text. So I can add a text. So imagine this is my nephew. I say, Auntie Peace loves you very much. Whatever it is you want to write, you can change the font here to what you prefer. I like Poppins, I can use Poppins. Then you can change the size to however you want it. You can even change the indent so that they are close together. You can change the color of the text to something that whatever appeals to you. I don't know if this color works. This color does not work. I'll change it to white. Is one color that works a lot, so I'm going to use white. White is almost always reliable. So you see, you can add every other thing you want to add. You can make this card as many pages as you want. So I'm going to leave this one at 2 pages. When you click on this share button when you want to download this, you click on download. You see, it will show as PNG, but you can change it to PDF. Use PDF if you have more than 1 page. If it is only 1 page, you can use JPG or PNG. But if you want to leave it as a picture, that's fine, but I would prefer PDF, so I'll choose PDF. Then if you want the file size to be, if you want to reduce the file size, you click on flatten PDF. See, pages 2. But if you wanted to print 1 page, you can uncheck one and leave the one that you want to print. But if you're printing all of them, you can just click all pages here. Done. And then you download. To download as PDF print. Let's see the card. See how it looks. So your card is ready. So I have this playlist on my channel where I answer any question. So ask me anything if you have anything you're trying to figure out. If there's any tech or social media question you have for me, please go ahead and ask in the comments and I'll make a video for you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.